Hi everyone, Beck Smith here. Day 6 already of our 40-day video series for do-it-yourself marketers. Time sure does fly when you're having fun. Today I wanted to have a chat with you about the critical importance of your website being mobile friendly. It's really the #1 priority when it comes to either creating a new website or redeveloping your website. That's both from a consumer perspective and also from a Google search perspective as well. So there's a couple of, there's many key reasons, but I'm going to share with you some statistics. Essentially, as of December last year, the share of web traffic by device was up to 47.5% for mobile phones, which was up 25% on the prior December. Laptops are now sitting at 45% of all web traffic in Australia, which is down 12%. Tablets are now at 7.1%, which is down 31%, and other devices are 0.1%. So mobile phones are the primary web traffic device for Australians now, and that continues to grow. So Google research, has shown that mobile searches have a higher buyer intent than just, than the other people on other devices. So people who search on a mobile device are much more likely to buy than those users searching on a desktop, for example. More people search on mobile than on desktops, as I've mentioned, and that differential continues to grow. Google now operates off a mobile-first index, and this means that Google indexes your site based on the mobile version of your website, whereas in the past, they previously used to index your website based on your desktop version of your site. So this means that your rankings are affected, and the likelihood that you will appear in searches is very much affected by whether or not you have a mobile-friendly website. So you can see it's absolutely critical that you make sure that your website is mobile-friendly. There's a tool that you can use, which I'm just going to share my screen with you and show you this tool that you can actually go to. So this tool is a Google tool. It's called, it's on search.google.com/test/mobile-friendly. So you can type in the URL of your website here, and you will then come to this page here, which will tell you whether your current website is mobile friendly or not. It will also give you details around if there are problems, what those problems are. And there's also, you can see down here, you can click on some further links to find out more about various pages within your website, and also to find out about general rules of thumb with regards to best practices around creating mobile friendly pages. So here's a good start for you when you're actually thinking of either redesigning or developing a website from scratch. Here's a good way for you to jump in and learn a bit more about what you need to do, and also have a look at how you're currently performing. So I hope you found that little tip today useful. We've still got plenty more to go over the next 34 days, I think. So stay tuned and make sure you keep me posted if there's any specific topics. We've talked a little bit about some website design and development tips. We've talked about search engine optimization and local search. We've also talked a little bit about social media. So there's plenty more topics to come. But if there's anything specifically that you're stuck on or struggling with, let me know, and I'd be happy to go through that with you. Anyway, take care, look after yourselves, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.